Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned before, I was going to show you guys how I make my patches. I have no idea if this is like the right or the wrong way. It's just the way I make them, and it works for me. So basically, like, I've never done this, what I'm going to do right now, before, but I have a lot of patches to make, and so I'm just using my applique design of my JoJo, and what I have done is I have used the Sew Up Pro, and I put 3 of them on a frame right now. So I have one, and then I have one that's upside down, and another one. And I'm trying to, right now I'm working on combining my steps in the Sew Up Pro, so it does, like, you know, each one as one step. Like the face, you know, instead of doing like this JoJo and stitching it all out, and doing the middle JoJo and stitching it all, and third JoJo and stitching it all out, I'm going to try to do it like at one time. So it'll do like the faces, you know, tack down for the faces, and then the hair, and then, you know, the bows and all that. I'm trying to do it so it does it in one swoop. So I'm making 3. I'm not sure how long it'll actually take, since one usually takes me about 45 to 50 minutes to stitch out, depending. I mean, actually it might be a little quicker than that on this one, since it's just, I just know the actual JoJo, these take me about 45 to 50 minutes to stitch out. So, and when I make the patch, I just do the JoJo, I don't do the name or the numbers. So hopefully it won't take me no more than, it's 11:20 right now. I'm hoping I'll be done by at least 1 o'clock. I mean, I don't really want to stay up till 1 o'clock, but hey, we'll see. So anyway, the first thing I do is I hoop my stabilizer, and I usually use 2 pieces of stabilizer. I use the medium cut away stabilizer. So, and I got this one off a big roll. I have a roll that I get from worldofwidener.com. They have a website, they're on eBay, they're on Amazon. So I just have a roll of it, and then I also have the little, I think they're 8x10 sheets. These sheets right here, which come in a stack. I usually buy these 100 at a time. I probably should up it to like 500 at a time, but and then these are what I use for my other hoops, but of course this won't fit in this hoop. So anyway, let me see if I can get my design uploaded, and I'll show you what else I do. Okay, so I do believe I got my design all figured out. I'm actually gonna do 4 because 4 fit the best. I had to reconfigure it and all that stuff. So basically what I do is I applique right onto my stabilizer, and then after I'm done appliquing, I put a what is it, heat and bond. It's like extra heavy duty, whatever it's called. I need to buy more. So this is, I thought it'd say it on the back, but it doesn't. But it's the heavy duty. This is all I got left. I just bought the roll, the packet, from like Walmart for like $3 or something, $2.97 maybe. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fire this up first. I always trace my design out just to make sure. Alrighty. I lost my thread. I already saw it. I lost my thread. Let me reprint this. Okay guys, so what I did is I got all of my fabrics appliqued down or tacked down. So so now I'm just going to go ahead and let it stitch out everything. I'm almost guaranteed I'll probably have some thread breaks. In fact, my purple is not even put on there, so I'll have to do that real quick. But yeah. Okay, so these are finished. What I did is, it's actually the next day. I wasn't able, actually it's 2 days later, but YouTube magic. My 1-year-old, oh come on, was crying the night I was making these, so I wasn't able to finish it, but here they are done. So I did 4 patches. And what I do is I got my heat press going. Let me set my shirts. These are the ones I'm getting ready to make. Set them aside. And I didn't bring my stand down here, but so basically I'm gonna take this off the frame. Okay, I got them off, and like you can do this so many different ways. This is just how I do them. You can either go ahead and cut them out and then add your iron-on backing on them. I usually don't even trim, but these have you can see these in between. I will trim these, the threads that go in between them, but usually when I do them, I'm just doing one at a time. So like these right here, let's see if these little ones right here, I don't even worry about trimming them, because you're gonna have your iron-on backing over top of it, and you ain't even gonna see them ever. So let me find. Okay, I pretty much trimmed most of it. I mean, there's still some here and there, but I'm not gonna worry about them. So I have this, which is I wish I had the, okay, I don't have it, but it's like the heavy duty heat and bond. So that is what I use. And it doesn't look like I'm going to have enough to cover, because there's some hanging out there and there's some hanging out there. So I'm going to have to cut them probably in individual pieces. I also have this piece right here, so let me see what I can do. Okay, what I did is I just pieced my pieces, and then I took that smaller piece and made sure it was covering up that. And now I'm going to press this. If you don't have a heat press, don't worry. You can use an iron to iron it on, but I can't live without a heat press. So I just press it. Again, I do 300. I should say 300, but it would drop down. But I usually do 300 for 20 seconds. And we will see what we got going on. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So as you can see, all my heat and bond is covering all of this. So, and I am going to cut these out with a pair of scissors. I get as close as I can. You can use like tearaway. If you use tearaway, you can probably just tear it away, and it works really good that way. But I use a medium cutaway, so I'm just going to cut mine like as close as can be. And I usually leave the iron-on backing, I just leave it right on there and cut it, and then once it's all cut, I just peel it off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, but I'm going to do that while I work. And I'm going to set up for another shirt to be stitching out while I cut those out. Okay guys, so here are the patches. They are all cut out, and they all have the stuff on the back of them, and this is how they look. And this is Ultra Hold Heat and Bond on the back of it. I actually liked, oh, there is a piece that needs to come off. That was the piece that I pieced together to make sure there was some on the entire. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.